Let's take a look at these two lines. Again, we're supposed to find the slope for each of them. We have to convert, again, general form to the slope-intercept. We have to solve each equation for y. So, I have 2y equals negative x plus 5. So, in order to find y, I have to divide both sides equation by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5 over 2. The coefficient of x is my slope. So if m1 equals negative 1/2. This is my first slope. And let's take a look at this one. So I have 2y equals x minus 3. Divide both sides equation by 2 in order to find y. So if y is equal 1/2 x minus 3 over 2. So my m2 equals 1/2. Please notice that these two slopes, right, have different values. We have negative 1/2 and I have 1/2. So for sure they are not in parallel. Let's check another formula. We have m1 times m2 is equal negative 1. So if m1 is equal negative 1/2 times 1/2 is equal negative times positive is equal negative, and I have 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is equal 4. Please notice that the right side of my equation is not equal negative 1. So these two lines are not in parallel and are also not perpendicular.